I can make you look smart. I'm just kidding. I can make you look smarter. You're a hopeless case. But if what I have hope is that I can make you smarter by showing you a fascinating and great simple method to solve almost any complicated problem. Or at least get to understand it. So what I want to present to you is the method of systems analysis. Now what do I mean by this? When you try to understand a system, you try to figure out how everything is interconnected. And for that matter, it's really simple. All you really need is a sheet of paper and a pen in order to do this method. Now how you do it is, you write down essentially every problem that you have on a piece of paper, like a mind map. Now it can look something like this, or at least that's how I have done it. But essentially, you want to figure out how every and each of your problems is interconnected with your problem. If you know they're interconnected, you can do the second step and figure out what do all problems that I have currently in my life have in common. And once you figure out that, you can work on the core aspect of each problem in your life to figure out what you have to work on. Now, as an example, let's say you want to exercise and your problem is that you can't get exercise. Now, probably one reason may be that you're really anxious, or you have a lot of stress that you tend to overeat or just seek out behavior that makes you avoid it. Now, another symptom that you may have realized that may be similar could be stress at work, that you can't get enough done. Now, if you think that being not productive enough and eating junk food would be two completely different problems, in fact, they could be potentially the same problem if you come to understand how they are all interconnected. Now, the problem of this common advice when you say, okay, you just have to figure out the root cause of a problem, is really inaccurate because problems have multiple causes and you have still to come to consider all of them. And it isn't really helpful if you don't know the right root cause of a problem. So, essentially this will be pretty much it. You write down all the problems on a piece of paper like it would be on a mind map. Then you will seek for connections, what problems are connected to other problems. And based on these patterns that all these problems have, you try to look for similarities. What do all these problems have in common? And based on what you could figure out what they all have in common, you now have the root cause of your problem. Now know what to work on. And this will make you look smarter by figuring out how to solve your problems. Good luck.